steviemack from steviemackdesigns.com, checking in to teach you a little bit about WordPress today. The first thing we're going to look at is how to install a plugin. And the plugin we're going to install today is called WP Maintenance Mode. So what I'm going to do is log into my WordPress website, and once I have, you see on the left-hand side, you've got this sidebar here that gives you all a whole bunch of choices on how to edit and change your WordPress website. I'm going to come down here to the one that's labeled Plugins and click on Add New. And I've already got this plugin installed, but I'm going to walk you through the steps here. I'll click in this field here, and where I have a choice of searching by term, by author, by tag. I usually just use the search by term, and the term we're going to use is maintenance mode. Let's see if I spelled that right. I almost never do. And the one I like here is the WP Maintenance Mode plugin. There may be some other ones that some folks like to use. I use this one all the time. It's very simple to use. Since mine's installed already, it shows installed here. Otherwise, it would show install now. You click that. It would give you a message asking you to verify that that was the one that you indeed wanted to install. Once you installed it, it would then allow you to click on a link to go to the plugins page, and you would see your maintenance mode plugin right here at the bottom. You see our WP maintenance mode plugin. So you want to click on settings here to configure it, and by default it's going to be set to false. We have our set to true so that it's actually on. So there's several choices inside of maintenance mode. You can choose to have a countdown if you're trying to build hype around the product, or if you've got some stuff coming up and you're basically trying to let people know that, hey, in 5 days you'll be able to download this, or you'll be able to see the content on this site. I typically don't use that unless it is a product that is, like I said, trying to build some hype. Also, you can choose whether you would like to leave a link to the plugin author or not. It's your choice. Your themes you can set up is simple text, only typography. Both of those actually look, as far as I know, about identical. You can also specify a specific style sheet that you'd like for your maintenance mode plugin to show. There is a preview button here where you can look at what the maintenance mode plugin is going to show. This actually is showing you incorrectly for some reason. It's showing 2 versions of the text instead of just one. It is what it is. So, firstly, it's got a title of maintenance mode. The header might be FCC WordPress tutorials. And the heading, let's say, let's just put something like sign up today to learn about WordPress. And then, of course, the message that would be shown. And it's, as you notice, all in here in HTML code. So you could put basically an entire HTML document right here. You can also tell it to exclude from the maintenance mode specific things, and the role which allows somebody to see the front end of this website. So maybe contributors aren't even allowed to see the site yet, but the administrator, once he's logged in, will be able to see the front end of the website. Once you've made those choices, hit save. Sometimes I also hit update. I don't know if that's redundant. It just makes sure that all that will fire off properly. And let's take a quick look at what that looks like here. So sign up today to learn about WordPress. Sorry for the inconvenience. Our website is currently under maintenance. Try back soon. Thanks for your understanding, and then we maybe have a telephone number and an address. So that's simple and plain. Now, the only thing that else I think I need to mention about this is once you are logged in to the website, to your WordPress website, you're actually able to see the front end of the website, the actual manifestation of the website. But a user who is not logged in would see, let me show you, a user who's not logged in is going to see this. So that's how you use your WordPress or WP Maintenance Mode plugin for your WordPress website. It's a convenient way to make sure that the pertinent information for your service or company or business is available to people even when your website is not. Okay? And it also, one thing else that I need to mention is when the maintenance mode plugin is set up, it also does not allow for Google or search engines to index the website. Okay? Thanks, and check back in with us soon.